ACER VMC-1824, a high-speed precision vertical machining center. 11 great reasons to go VMC-1824. One, 15 horsepower, 30-minute peak, 10 horsepower continuous spindle motor. 2, Cat 40, 8,000 RPM spindle, standard, and 12,000 RPM with oil chiller, optional. 3. Large travel XYZ are 24 by 18 by 19 inches with small footprint. XYZ are 86 by 84 by 90 inches. Full enclosure for production application. 4. 24 arm type automatic tool changer. Tool change time is only 2.1 seconds. This device is easily maintained because the chips do not fall into the magazine. The ATC is a side mount design which allows for plenty of travel when machining tall parts using the 4-axis rotary table. 5. All 3 axes are linear ways by THK, NSK or equivalent with C3 precision ball screw to provide high-speed XYZ 945, 945, 945 inch per minute. Machine is also laser calibrated and ball bar tested to ensure smooth and accurate movement. 6. Mass's Mehinite FC30 cast iron construction weighs 9,000 pounds. The casting are internally reinforced with heavy ribs to resist flux and damp vibrations. The VMC-1824's triangulated wide stance casting and inverted Y-shaped designed heavy rib column has wide support to provide rocking and vibration free when heavy cuts are made. 7. Integrated Analam 6000 digital CNC control which allows the machine to perform high-speed machining and taping function. 8. Machine is integrated with Analam all-digital control which can run both G-code and conversational program. With easy conversation programmability, customer can input blueprint data and cut parts right away. This digital control holds 60 megabytes memory and a 6 gigabyte hard drive for unlimited parts program. 9. The control comes with powerful features. 1. Free 27 milling can cycle for easy program. 2. 2.5D cam are built in machine for complicated parts program. 3. Offline program with DXF file converter can transfer DXF file to toolpath and cut parts right away. 4. Tool and Parts Pro software are standard for quick setup. 10. The VMC-1824 comes with user-friendly standard features. 1. Rear flush coolant for easy cleanup. 2. Automatic lubrication. 3. Large side window for easy loading long workpiece. 4. Easy access rollout coolant tank. 5. Optional chip conveyor, auger, and belt type. 6. Optional 12,000 RPM with spindle oil chiller. 7. Optional coolant through spindle with coolant pump, 300 psi. 8. Optional rotary table with integrated drive and motor. 11. Easy layout and CE standard electrical cabinet with heat exchanger are standard on ACER VMC-1824s. All wires and cables are sealed, colored, and numbered for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. Main power source and signal power source are separated and sealed to protect from electromagnetic signal interference to make sure it will not pick up the wrong tool after thousands of tool change. Over 30 years, the ACER mission is to bring quality assured, price competitive, service committed, availability immediately for the full solution to your machine's need. We maintain accuracies within tens of thousands of an inch. The accuracy is machined into each and every part. With California and New Jersey's 2 facilities for stocking finished machines and spare parts, we are able to ship a variety of machine models and service parts immediately upon order. Through a nationwide network of factory-trained, full-service distributors, ACER can provide the industry's most committed service and customer support for each and every machine we sell. Check our price and you will be surprised at how affordable it is. Join us. We hope your next machining center will be ACER VMC.